Fani Willis admitted to a personal relationship with an outside prosecutor she appointed to manage the election interference case against former President Donald Trump.
Filing by Fulton County District Attorney's Office, an acknowledgement that Fani Willis engaged in a relationship with attorney Nathan
have been
Wade.
engaged in an improper relationship and mishandled public money.
About 176 pages. That's how long the response is. That includes a number of exhibits.
In 2022, District Attorney Willis and I developed a personal relationship in addition to our professional association and friendship. So there's the acknowledgement of the relationship.
Why not come forward with this from the beginning? Why wait until there are rumors and innuendo and still not?
It's an excellent question. A lot of us were wondering that. My understanding from the sources that I've talked to who are close to Fani Willis is that, first of all, she was reluctant to put a lot of facts out there and information out there before they had all of their ducks in a row in case things were contradicted or they made mistakes. That wouldn't have been good. And then there was also the kind of usual.
Gamer Gazette update on the Georgia RICO case involving former President Donald Trump. A new law has just been passed, and it's causing quite a stir. Violators can be penalized with up to a year in jail. This law holds Georgia district attorneys accountable for their conduct. And guess who's in the spotlight? Atlanta District Attorney Fani Willis. She's just been hit with 22 charges of impeachment. Quite a turn of events, isn't it? Let's rewind a bit. Willis was previously on the offensive, filing racketeering charges against former President Donald Trump. Willis was making use of the Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, or RICO, which is typically associated with combating organized crime. She believed it could also apply to lawful organizations that break the law. But then, the tables turned. The new law was passed, holding Georgia district attorneys accountable for their conduct, and Willis found herself on the receiving end. She's now facing 22 charges of impeachment. That's right, 22. This was a significant development in the Georgia legal scene, and it has certainly caught the attention of law enthusiasts and the general public alike. The new law is a clear message. District attorneys in Georgia are expected to uphold the highest standards of conduct, and if they fail to do so, there will be consequences. As for Willis, she's under investigation for possible criminal charges related to election interference and conspiracy and misuse of funds. This investigation is seen as a significant development in the prosecutor's work, with more potential targets expected. So to recap, a new law has been passed in Georgia, holding district attorneys accountable for their conduct. Atlanta District Attorney Fani Willis is facing 22 charges of impeachment. She's under investigation for possible criminal charges related to election interference and conspiracy. This is a story that's still unfolding, and it's one that we'll be keeping a close eye on. It's a clear reminder that the law applies to everyone, no matter who you are or what position you hold. And when it comes to upholding the law, there's no room for misconduct, not in Georgia and not anywhere else. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're all gamers in life.